In Investing 101, it's been a year of uncertainty like none other. Let's bring in Joe Duran, head of Goldman Sachs Personal Financial Management. Hi there, Joe, and what tips can you offer today?
Well, number one, to just remove the emotions out of the decision making. It's a very, very volatile time. As we all know, the markets have been very confusing. We had the biggest decline, the fastest decline, 30% in about 6 weeks, and then one of the most amazing recoveries we've ever seen right after it. And so people are jet lagged, and they're sitting there going, I'm afraid of missing out if the market keeps going, but I'm also petrified that it's going to go down if the elections go in one way or the other, or the pandemic resurfaces in the fall. And so helping to not make emotional decisions is really, really important. And second, taking a perspective that is more than just today. So thinking about where you want to be 5 years from now rather than where you are today is really important.
What are some strategies for taking the emotion out of investing?
Well, first and foremost, have somebody at your side who is not vested the way you are. And what does that mean? It means that you have to have somebody who knows what's happening, who cares deeply about what's happening, but also is able to be objective about it. It's not that different than going to a doctor or a lawyer. They are very entrenched in what's happening, but they are also not the one going through it individually. Second is you need somebody who really understands you at your side. One of the things that many humans make, many individuals and investors make, is that they undervalue the fact that they are truly unique, that nobody is the same, and that having somebody that understands you and knows how you react when things go bad or how you react when things go well and can help guide you and has the empathy to adjust your perspective in a way that helps you make the right choice. Really in our world, being a great advisor is really like being a coach and a guide because you ultimately have to make the decision, but we can help you have a perspective that you might not have without us. The second is we have to have the expertise to actually know how to help you. And sometimes we're not talking about the things that really matter. People's financial plans and financial lives don't get ruined because they get in and out of the market. It's because of the life choices they make. Maybe they retire too early. Maybe they go and start a new company and aren't funded well enough. And so maybe they don't have a financial plan that takes into account that one of the spouses might get sick or that one of the kids might need more money than they expected for college. Thinking about the things that you don't think about is what you pay an advisor for. And if they understand you well and what really matters to you, they're going to give you personalized advice to adjust to whatever happens in your life.
Where can people find you?
Well, the easiest way is to go online. Go to Goldman PFM, that stands for Goldman Personal Financial Management. So if you go to Goldman PFM, you'll have tons of great resources there, including an online quiz you can give yourself. Really fun. It's interactive, that in 5 minutes will tell you how your biases about money affect your decision making, your spending habits, and how you talk about money with your family. So it will, if nothing else, in very few minutes, give you an education and understanding about how you think about money. If you choose to work with one of our advisors, very easy to do. We have access to web offices all over the country, and you can't go wrong with almost any advisor you go to, and they'll tell you more about how we can help you.
Well, thank you, Joe. We would love to have you back again very soon.
You bet. It was a real pleasure.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.